George the Color Top Pro today with 2020 Hyundai I30, stock number 7.97. It's ran from the 13th 2017 to the 12th 2023. There's a G4NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 16-inch factory American tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door 2 dents and a slight fold, left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory American tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear 16-inch factory American tyre, right rear door 1 dent, right hand door mirror, right front 16-inch factory American tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen set nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,